I'm going to take up the fourth chapter, linear inequation. Now, in linear equation, you will be using two signs, either greater or less. It can also be greater and equal or less and equal. If you use these signs, such equations are said to be of linear inequations. Now, in linear equations, you have to solve you will solve the values of x as you solve for equations. The same rules are there for transposing the numbers from left to right. Now if I write a simple inequation as 3x plus 6 is less than 12, and you have to tell the value of x, and the replacement set for x will also be given to you. As if I say x belongs to natural numbers. So as you solve the equation, solve it. 3x is less than, plus 6 will be transposed to the right. It will become 12 minus 6, 6. X is less than, transpose 3 to the right. It will be divided. So it means x is less than 2. X is less than 2 and x belongs to natural numbers. So what will be the solution set? Only 1. Because the natural number starts from 1. So the replacement set may be the natural numbers, the whole numbers, integers. Symbol for the whole number is W. Symbol for natural number I just shown you, that N. Symbol for integers is either I or Z. And symbol for the real numbers will be capital R. These may be the replacement set given in the question. But sometimes the replacement set, some particular elements are given to you. Suppose if I write minus 3, minus 1, 2, 5, 7, 11. This may be the replacement set. And suppose if I give you the equation 2x plus 1 is greater than 5. Suppose this is an equation and I tell you to solve it. And replacement set I have given you above. So what are the possible values of x you can have? 2x is plus 1 will be transposed to the right. It will become 5 minus 1, 4. X is greater than 4 upon 2, 2. So x is greater than 2, replacement set I have given you above. So what are the possible values of x? 5, 7 and 11. This will be the solution set of the given equation depending upon the replacement set. Now there are some rules which you have to follow for the linear inequations which are different from that of the equations. Suppose if I give you any inequation as minus 4x is less than 8. In such case, you cannot transpose minus 4 to the right as it is negative. Negative integer cannot be taken to the negative sign cannot be taken to the right side as division. First you have to make this minus 4 integer as positive. So in order to make it positive, you have to take multiply by minus on both the sides. If you multiply by minus 1 on both the sides, minus 1 into minus 4x will become 4x. At 8 into minus 1 will become minus 8. If you multiply by minus sign on both the sides, inequality changes. Instead of less, you will now have the symbol greater. Now it has become positive. Now you can transpose my 4 to the right and your solution set will be x is greater than minus 2. And if I tell you that x belongs to integers, then what will be your solution set? Greater than minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. Solution set is to be written in the roster form with the help of the brackets. Curly brackets. Curly brackets are the symbol used for the sets. Why I have changed this inequality? That I'll show you with the help of the example. Suppose I give you one example that you know that minus 4 is less than 1. Now if I multiply by minus sign on both sides, it will become 4 and 1 will become minus 1. Now what is the sign to be put in between 4 and minus 1? Will it be less than now? Is 4 less than 1? No. You know that 4 is greater than minus 1. So that is why if you want to multiply by minus on both sides, inequality changes. Now I think you know how to draw the how to draw the number line. I think you know. Suppose x belongs to natural numbers and your solution set is having the elements 1, 2, 3 and you are asked to draw it on the number line. So you can draw the number line, put arrows on both the sides as it is a line can be extended on both sides. And by taking equal distances 1, 2, 3. So darken these natural numbers 1, 2, 3. This is how you are going to show. Only 1, 2, 3 have to be darkened with the help of pencil. This is how you are going to show the number line of the natural numbers, integers, whole numbers. Because you can write the roster form of the natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. In the next video, I will tell you how to write the solution set for the real numbers and how to draw the number line for the real numbers.